Welcome to the Association's online portal. The portal allows authorised members of an association to view, change and lodge information on behalf of an association. Before you can use the portal, you will need to set up your own user account and then link it to the associations that you work with. This short video will show you how to enrol and then link your incorporated association to your account. Before you begin, you'll need access to your email account and your personal details, including your phone number and email address. You may find it useful to have a writing pad and pen on hand to record key information. To get started, go to the Association's online homepage, www.commerce.wa.gov.au/associationsonline. On the Association's online homepage, click Enrol to go to the Enrolments page. On the Enrolments page, enter your details in the fields provided by clicking on each field in turn. The red asterisk indicates mandatory fields, and information must be entered before your enrolment can be processed. If you need help at any stage, hover the mouse pointer over the eye icon next to each field and an information box will appear to provide more details. Start with your title, first name and surname, then your address and contact information. Remember to use your own details and unique email address, as these act as the user's signature for future transactions through the portal. A new user account cannot be created if the email address you provide has already been registered by another user. Next, enter your security details. Enter a password of your choice. Passwords must be at least 8 characters in length and include a number, a letter and a symbol. For example, a suitable password will be @yellow1. Next, enter a verification word. You may need to provide your verification information in future, for example, if you forget your password. Select a security question and record the answer in the field provided. Make a note of the information you have entered for future reference. Read and accept the on-screen declaration by clicking on the checkbox. Then copy the verification characters into the field provided. Click the Enrol button. A pop-up screen will appear to verify your street address. Select your address from the list displayed by clicking on the correct address. You'll be taken back to the enrolment screen. If the address you have entered is not displayed and you are certain the address you entered is correct, click on the Close button to accept the address you had entered. After the Verify Address pop-up window has closed, click on the Enrol button again. The verification email will now be sent to the email address you provided. You'll need to activate the account before you can log in. In a separate window, open your email account and check your inbox for the verification email sent by the Association's branch. The email will have the subject line, Complete your Association's online enrolment. If you cannot see the email in your inbox, check your spam mail folder. Open the email and click on the activation link provided. If you have trouble clicking on the link, copy the link and paste it into your browser address bar. Once activated, a message confirming your account will be displayed. The final step is to connect your new account with the association you are involved with. This is called linking. Return to the Association's online homepage and log in by entering your username, password and then clicking on the Login button. The user homepage will be displayed. To link an association to your account, link on the Add an Existing Association button. This will open the Add an Existing Association page. Next, search for the association you wish to link to by name or registration number, and then click on the Search button. Select the correct association from the search results. Once selected, the association's name and address, along with the number of already linked users, will be displayed below the search results table. If the association you want to link to is not displayed, enter a new search term and search again. Select the type of role your user account will have. You may choose a primary or authorized user. A primary user can lodge applications and has the added responsibility of approving or refusing other users' requests to link to the association. An authorized user can lodge applications. Both primary and authorized users need to be authorized by their association to use the association's online portal on the association's behalf. If a primary user is already in place, your request to link to the association will be sent to the primary user and they will need to accept your request. Next, read and accept the declaration by clicking on the I accept the declaration checkbox. Accepting the declaration confirms that you are authorized to use the association's online portal on an association's behalf. Click the Go button. Now that you are familiar with creating your own user account and linking to an existing association, you may wish to watch the video, Managing My Account.